public service announcement, guys. Please stop doing this to your car. And when I mean stop doing this to your car, I mean to a whole bunch of you out there that keep on doing this. I've done it. I know you've done it. Please stop it, because this has to be deleted. This fake carbon fiber, get rid of this out of your car lifestyle. Do not do this, please. Don't do this. Stop doing this. If you've done it, please, please. I mean, hopefully you've outgrown it by now. Please don't do this anymore with this fake carbon fiber freaking mierda. Don't do this, please, guys. I've already lived through this. I have already done this. Don't do it anymore. F fake carbon fiber. Don't do this. Damn, maybe it could have matched right here on my fenders. Not gonna lie. Look at that. Look at that. Nope, nope, nope. Don't even think like that, guys. Don't do that. What I'm trying to say here is, if you want high quality carbon fiber parts, go check out Synth Carbon, which provided me with these pillars. I got them off Synth Carbon. I got these door handles off Synth Carbon. I got these right here to not scratch inside, Synth Carbon. Car's a little dirty right now. I gotta wash it. It rained like a week ago and I haven't driven a car in a whole week. But here we go, guys. Carbon fiber pieces from Synth Carbon as well right here. Hell yeah. Right there. Look at that. Some real carbon fiber pieces that they provide right here as well. Boom. Even this piece right here is from Synth Carbon right here too. Boom. 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 Come on, guys. We gotta get rid of that fake carbon fiber and go get some real carbon fiber. Come on now. Like I said, my car's a little dirty. This is from Synth Carbon right here. High quality carbon fiber fin. If they have it for 10th gens, 11th gens, go get yourself a fin. If you own a Type R, 10th or 11th gen. If you own an Accord, I believe they also have it. They make carbon fiber trunks for the 11th generation Civics. They make carbon fiber trunks. They have a hood for my 10th generation Civic, and I believe the 11th generation as well. But I already had one. I already have one. And then what I'm trying to say is, guys, if you want legit parts, please, please, please go check out Synth Carbon. Synth Carbon, guys. Link in the description. Discount code as well, Beachy97. Go support your boy. Go get some products from them. They have front lips. They have window visors. They have freaking these caps right here. They have various amount of parts for the 10th and 11th generation Civics, and they have parts as well for some BMWs, for some Toyotas, Nissans, and other cars as well. A lot of interior pieces, a lot of exterior pieces. They're working on more hoods, this and that. They're working to provide more parts for our vehicles. It's not just carbon fiber pieces, but I just want to get on here and say that they provide a lot of carbon fiber pieces, and to stop buying that fake carbon vinyl wrap. Please, guys, come on now. I lived through that. Even with my front grille, I had it wrapped in fake carbon fiber, and I said, you know what? I don't want that. I went and got the legit carbon fiber grille. Look at that. Even the vents down here, legit carbon fiber. Even this little nose piece right here in carbon fiber, matching the hood, making it flow perfectly right there, guys. The real thing is way better, looks way cleaner than the fake paper one. You could even tell right there when I was putting it right here and seeing like, oh, what, like, oh, it could match. It could probably match in the sunlight at a certain angle. No, guys, no. Please don't do that. I get it if you're on a budget, and I get it if you put it in your interior. That's okay. I used to do that too. I put some fake ones, some hydro dipped ones. But what I'm trying to say is, use my discount code to afford some parts, guys. Use my discount code to afford some carbon fiber pieces like door handles, pillars. They even have carbon fiber window visors if you guys want some window visors carbon fiber for the sedans. They don't make them for the coupes. If not, I would have it on my coupe. There's other companies out there that charge a lot. Like, I'm not gonna say their names, and I have some of the parts, but there's other companies out there that charge way more, maybe double, triple what Synth Carbon would be charging. And I'm not trying to say that Synth Carbon is cheap. Synth Carbon is fair prices and the quality is amazing. I never have any issues with any of their parts. from my exterior pieces that I have from them to my interior pieces, none of them look faded, messed up. They ceramic coat all their carbon fiber pieces before shipping them out. They get ceramic coated. I forgot what grade it is, but it should last like 5 years at least, at the minimum, with the ceramic coating that they put on their pieces before they ship it out to you guys. That's what I'm trying to get you guys to understand, is that the real thing is better than the fake thing. Because even if I was to go and try to wrap my fenders in that fake carbon fiber, it wouldn't look good. It wouldn't look good, guys. It would not look good at the end of the day. I've already tried it before. I looked at it and I was like, nah, scrap that idea. Because I was debating carbon fiber fenders again, but I scrapped that idea because I'm like, nah, man, it's better to get the real thing. It's always better to get the real thing. And Synth Carbon has more pieces coming. They sell pieces. They sell front lips, rear lips, side skirts. They have a lot of stuff available on their website. Go check it out. Link in the description. All you 10th generation, 11th generation Civic owners, Accord owners, they have a lot of products on there for us. I'm just letting you guys know that you should go use my code Pinche97 to go check it out. High quality carbon fiber pieces and more high quality parts as well. You guys should know me by now. I only support brands that are legit. I don't like supporting those brands that lie to you, that sell you those cheap ass parts, then they break. I like supporting legit brands. Synth Carbon is a legit one, and you guys know the other ones that I support. This video, I'm trying to show you guys that the real thing is better than the fake vinyl wrap carbon fiber. But as I said, they don't just sell carbon fiber. They have more pieces, more parts for our cars, interior, exterior, some lighting, some trunks, hoods. I believe fenders coming soon. They have a whole array of products for our cars, guys. You should go check it out. Go check it out, definitely. Link in the description. Use my discount code Pinche97. I just wanted to get on here, let you guys know about that, and more videos coming soon. So stay tuned for those videos, some fun videos that I'm trying to make. But anyways, guys, yeah, don't be getting no fake carbon fiber anymore. Don't be getting fake vinyl wrap carbon fiber. Just freaking caro es sucio right now. Ignore that, but go get yourself some quality parts from Synth Carbon. Link in the description. Pinche97 will give you a discount. Hell yeah, peace out, guys. It's just something about it, like, I don't know, guys. Yeah, it just ain't it. This just ain't. Maybe it is. Nah, doesn't look that bad in the lighting, huh, guys? Nah, look at that. Hell nah. F that. Boom.
Now you can check the whip and peel. Damn, this sticker is ill. Get shit from the smooth as butter. Cut in and out of lanes undercover. Style, wow, my mirror, the rear view. You can never fly by, homie, I will see you. Mach 5, change terrains if need be. Thou shall never floor pass. I will let the ID before you act on.